How to use Canva AI image generator on PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open a project where you want to generate AI images or create a new design by clicking the Create a Design button and selecting a format like presentation, poster, social media post, or document. Once your project opens, click on Apps from the left-hand panel and search for Magic Media. Click on Magic Media to open it within Canva. Here you will see a text box where you can enter a prompt to create your image. Type your prompt with details such as style, colors, theme, objects, or scene to get the best results. Then click on the Generate Images button. Canva will quickly generate AI images based on your prompt. You can browse multiple variations and select the one that fits your project best. Once selected, add it to your canvas and customize it by resizing, cropping, adding filters, or combining it with other elements, text, or animations. Now you know how to use Canva AI image generator. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.